can go on and on appreciating South Indian food, but my favorite always remains rasam. Today, I will share with you the authentic recipe of the tomato rasam that is made very frequently in every South Indian household. So first and foremost, let's start with making the rasam powder. In some oil in a pan, I'm adding some coriander seeds, some jeera, cumin, some methi dana, that's fenugreek seeds, some red chillies. Chilies could be added as per your preference, as hot as you like it. Black peppercorns. So the quantity of black peppercorns is way more in rasam compared to sambar. And of course some curry leaves. The flame is on low to ensure that these don't burn. So this is done. I'm going to take it out on a plate, let it cool and blend it into a powder. So the rasam powder is ready. It smells really good. Let's get started to making the rasam. I'm taking very little oil. You could even make this without any oil because it requires a lot of boiling, nothing else. Tomatoes, some green chilies, depending on how spicy you like your rasam. Some curry leaves for the flavor. Last but not the least, tamarind extract. Now I'm going to give it a good stir. Now I'm adding a ton of water because the rasam is supposed to be really thin. It's not even a soup, it's something that you have at the beginning of your meal with a papad. Some toor dal, very little toor dal in fact. I'm going to season it with some salt and just a little piece of jaggery. A gentle stir. Isko cover karenge and cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the rasam is nice and boiling. I'm going to add a spoonful of the rasam powder that we made. All in. I'm going to let it boil for say another 5 minutes और फिर हम इसे तड़का लगाएंगे. This looks and smells so good. The rasam is ready. All that remains now is a good tadka that will add all the more flavor to this rasam. Let's get started. For the tadka, I'm going to take some mustard seeds, some more jeera, some urad dal, dry red chillies and some curry patta. This is all going to go in. I'm also going to add hing. And now the tadka goes in the rasam. So all I'm going to do now is top the rasam with lots of fresh coriander leaves and it's ready. Always make sure that you serve the rasam hot.